How to download Westpac statements. Follow the instructions. Open the Westpac app on your mobile device. Log in using your customer ID and password. Wait for the main dashboard to load. Tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Type the word statements into the search bar. Select statements including closed accounts from the options. Choose the account you want the statement for. Scroll to find the statement for the month or year you need. Tap on the specific statement you want to download. Wait for the statement to open as a PDF file. Tap the Share or Download icon on the screen. Choose Save to Files or your preferred option. Select the folder or location on your device. Confirm the download and check the file is saved. Thank you for watching.